Crypto Shorts headlines, the 4th of May 2026. Are buyers taking control? Air flirts with key $1.50 breakout zone. Is XRP's current price action giving buyers the edge, with $1.50 emerging as the key breakout level to watch? Banks stay tight-lipped as senators reveal proposed Clarity Act stablecoin deal. Bitcoin nears structural shift amid changing market conditions. Bitcoin is undergoing a notable transformation as shifting market conditions redefine how the asset behaves and is valued. Once dominated by retail speculation and predictable halving-driven cycles, BTC is now entering a more mature phase shaped by broader financial forces. How the Bitcoin structure is shifting beyond halving narratives. Bitcoin is approaching a critical inflection point where its market structure could shift decisively. A KOL manager and advisor known as BitBull on Twitter has stated that the short-term holder market value to realized value (MVRV) ratio is currently hovering around 1. Bank of England, using $HBAR, $Link, $QNTT0 potentially save $70 billion plus per day. Bank of England Danny Russell highlighted on the @TokenizedPod how important liquidity fragmentation is, as solutions can save $75 billion. The Bank of England is exploring ways to implement this with $Link, $QNT, and $HBAR. Elon Musk sought a potential settlement with OpenAI 2 days before his massive trial against the ChatGPT maker began last week, a new court filing from OpenAI says. United States post-trade giant DTCC prepares to launch a tokenization service, and XRP advocates argue Ripple is positioning itself at the heart of this shift. Bitcoin is back above $80,000 level, notably outperforming stocks on Monday, the 3rd of May 2026. China's Linkerbot is targeting a $6 billion valuation after doubling from $3 billion as investor demand for humanoid robotics accelerates, says Reuters. SKYAI HITS CMC number 69 UP 56.99% on the day and 315.8% on the week at SKYI Pros Dollar. SKYI is up 56.99% on the day and 315.8% on the week, climbing to CoinMarketCap rank number 69 with a $712.35 million market cap. The token trades at $0.7123 on $249.64 million in 24-hour volume. Holders crossed 550. SBI is expanding its Ripple strategy in 2026 with XRP rewards, RLUSD distribution, tokenized bonds, and on-chain settlement. DTCC, the infrastructure giant managing $114 trillion in securities, will begin tokenizing Russell 1000 stocks and treasuries. President Donald Trump-backed World Liberty Financial, WLF, filed a defamation lawsuit against defendant Justin Sun, a billionaire investor. A survey shows 62% of U.S. voters do not trust Trump's administration to oversee crypto, with most opposing political figures having financial ties to crypto projects. Bitcoin is better than currency. This is what Bill Gates said in 2014. You cannot make this stuff up. New. Ondo has joined DTCC's industry working group on tokenization alongside firms like BlackRock and JP Morgan, as the $114 trillion custodian develops an on-chain infrastructure for U.S. capital markets. Mr. Saylor halts buying. Bitcoin tests $80K. After tagging the level for the first time since January, Bitcoin is back at $80,000 and trying to flip 3 months of resistance into support. Bitcoin is putting on its big boy pants for this one. Fidelity Digital Assets publishes new study on investment returns, which are shockingly good. Please remember that nothing, and I mean nothing in this video, is financial advice in any shape or form. For the love of greatness, always do your own research. Money matters because your financial education is extremely important.